Hello, in this video I am a departing passenger at Tenerife South, Spain. The airport terminal is a long structure which is divided into landside and into airside throughout its length. On this end the building appears more modern than on the other end. This is its check-in area. The next hall hosts the central security check. On the other end is a hall with another lots of check-in desks. The restaurant and shop section is followed by even more check-in desks and eventually by arrivals. Once airside, the view to the apron is obstructed by the arrivals channel and by sun blockers. I took this picture from the lounge. Sorry, this picture is not all sharp. It shows the long departures area with walking space between shops on one side and seating at the gates on the other. While all in all the terminal is functional, the departures hall is not an area I like to spend much time in.